Good day, Ma'am Sir. My name is Daphne Mon. I live in Apari, Cagayan, Philippines. I am 33 years old. I have a live-in partner and we have four children. A 10 years old twins, 8 years old, and a 5 years old. I finished my studies as a caregiving with certificate NC2 and I am an undergraduate of nursing. I worked before as a helper and I serve five members in the family. My main duties are cleaning the house, doing laundry, ironing clothes, cooking, and taking care of children. And I also experience to take care of pets like dogs, which is a Dachshund and a Shih Tzu. I also try taking care of cat. I chose Hong Kong because I want to earn money and for my kids and family's future. If you chose me, I will promise to do my very best to take care of my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.